Hey guys, just wanted to go over how to take a quiz on Social Studies Weekly. I previewed this earlier in the week, but a few little ideas I have. You'll go to Social Studies Weekly. Once again, this week is week 29, so make sure that as you search for it, you are in the correct week. First, you go to 5th grade, and then you'll scroll down to week 29 and take the test. One thing I want to show you is when you take the test, you will see the questions, and of course, we want you to find the answers in the text. So, what I would recommend is I open an additional tab right here when I do this, and I'm going to actually go back and get into my Social Studies Weekly again. As you do this, once again, most of you are familiar with this idea. You could pull up the articles and then have the questions and just go back and forth between the two tabs. That way you can find the answer because there's a few answers that could be tricky. In fact, most of them involve you going back and finding the answers. So once again, here instead of saying take test on this tab, I will say continue reading. And now I have the articles right here. I can then go to my test in this tab, find the question, read the choices, and say, okay, I know what article that is, so I'm going to go back to here and choose the article that it goes with, and then search for the answer. Boom, go back and answer it. I think a lot of you have this capability in your toolbox of awesomeness, but in case you didn't, I highly recommend that you do this. Take the quiz, and then once you finish, you can hit finish test and it will send me the score. So let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy your day, and I will see you soon.